How to reset your Instant Pot Duo Nuova to the factory default settings. This applies whether you have the 3 liter, the 5.7, the 8, or the 10 liter. It works the same. The interface is the same on all of them. So what is this factory reset going to do? So on this, you have all of these different smart programs and settings that you can customize to what you need. Now you can remove those individually, but if you just want to get a fresh start and remove everything all the way back to the factory default settings. So all of the program's pressure levels, cooking times, temperatures are all going to be restored to the factory default settings. This is very easy to do. All we need to do is make sure that our Instant Pot is in standby mode. And with our Instant Pot in standby mode, we're just going to come and we're going to press and hold the cancel button. Just press and hold the cancel button until the cooker beeps. Once the cooker beeps, everything will be reset to the factory default settings, and you can go ahead and set it up like it did when it first came out of the box with the default settings. So if this worked for you, if you leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. And if you're interested in one of these pots, I'll put a link in the description below.